Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Sid, and you know what time it is. It's cafecito time. And for today's cafecito time, I wanted to talk to you guys about something new, some new creamers. We always talk about coffee, but we don't seem to talk about creamers. So stick around. So make sure you are subscribed. And we're going to talk about some new creamers for your coffee. So if you're a creamer lover, this video is for you. Okay, it's our cafecito time, and some people love their cafecito black, some people love their cafecito sweet. I like my cafecito with creamer half and half, milk if I'm making a latte or a cappuccino, and sometimes I like these creamers. I don't always use flavored creamers, but every now and again I do, and lately I've been noticing a lot more creamers. I guess people are making coffee at home a lot more. So if you've been to the grocery store and you've seen a lot more creamers in the dairy aisle, yeah, I have. So I noticed these two the other day. They're new, and I said, you know what, I'm going to try them. They caught my interest, so I wanted to not only share with you about these new creamers, I'm going to tell you how they taste. I've already used them in my coffee, but I wanted to do a froth test because if you are an espresso owner, most people that own an espresso own the frother, or not necessarily the Aeroccino, but some kind of frother. So I said, let's do a taste test and a frother test to see how they froth. So the first one I bought was this Coffeemate Unlocked. And it is Italian espresso roast. Makes any cup taste like a rich espresso roast. Chocolate and smoky notes. Okay, so when I first saw this, I was like, is it creamer? Is it creamer that tastes like coffee? Is it coffee flavored creamer? I don't know. I was a bit confused. But it says Unlocked. It's called Coffeemate Unlocked. Italian espresso roast is inspired by the unique characteristics of espresso roast coffee. Okay. Skillfully crafted to deliver the optimal dark roast flavor experience. Okay. Add to any coffee to create an elevated cup with chocolatey cocoa notes and a smoky nuance that deliver an espresso roast taste. So yeah, I was really confused with these. Basically, you use it in your coffee to kind of make it taste like you're drinking espresso. So if you're not drinking espresso, but you want it to taste like espresso, I don't know. It kind of confused me. They do have two of them. They have the Unlocked Italian Espresso Roast, and they have the Unlocked Colombia. I didn't try that one. This one caught my attention. And basically, it's good. It's a little sweet. If you've ever tried the Coffeemate Sweet Italian Cream, which was one of my favorites, that's basically what it tastes like. It tastes very similar to the Italian Sweet Creamer, but not as sweet. This one does have a little bit of, like they said, the chocolatey smoky notes. So I guess it's supposed to make your coffee taste richer. Like an espresso. But yeah, it's pretty good. I bought it at the grocery store. I think it was like $3.99 around there. It's a pretty big bottle, 32 ounces. I'm almost done with it. And honestly, I only use a little bit. I've actually been mixing it with my half and half and a little bit of this, and it's pretty good. It gives it a little bit of sweetness without it being too overpowering, because I know some creamers are just way too sweet. So this one's not super, super sweet. Okay, so let's see how it froths. So I'm going to put some in the frother. I'm only going to do a little bit because I don't. Let's see. I'm going to put about 50. Here we go. Just enough to cover the little whisk. So we're doing a froth test. That's it. It's done. So here we go. Here's the froth test. Oh, yeah. it frothed good. Imagine just adding a shot of espresso, or not even a shot, just your regular coffee. With this will taste really good. So this one definitely froths good. Unlocked. The other one I tried, or I saw and I bought, was this one. If you've ever tried the FairLife milk, it's really good milk. It's like ultra filtered, pasteurized. It's a little more expensive than regular milk. So I wanted to try the FairLife creamer. They have creamers now. This is the FairLife Hazlenut, which is one of my favorite flavors. And what caught my attention is it says it's real dairy, creamer, hazelnut with 40% less sugar. So some of these creamers tend to be a little sugary, a little too many carbs. And I know a lot of people are conscious about their sugar intake and carb intake. So I thought that's pretty good. 40% less sugar than regular creamers, lactose free. So that was pretty good too, because I'm not lactose free, but I know it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt not to drink a lot of lactose. So yeah, real dairy, just 5 ingredients, which is also great because these don't always have the best ingredients. It says more of what you want in your coffee, less of what you don't. Our creamer is made with FairLife ultra filtered milk. Yum. Our milk flows through soft filters, giving you a great taste you want with less sugar. And yeah, it's non-fat ultra filtered milk, cream, sugar, and natural flavors. And this one has 1.5 grams of fat and only 3 grams of carbs. Not bad. This one has 1.5 grams of fat and 5 grams of sugar. So, 2 grams is 2 grams. And this one is a smaller container. It's only 16 ounces, and it was $3.19. They also had vanilla and caramel, which I will try. I always like to try one because if I buy them on, if I don't like them, I don't know. And it's not so much the money. I just don't want to be wasteful. So yeah, let's froth this one. This one's really good. It isn't super sweet. And I do like that the hazelnut flavor is kind of subtle. It's not like bam in your face, because some of them, creamers just taste the flavor is either too strong or too artificially tasting. This one is not. This one is not super sweet. The hazelnut flavor is subtle, kind of mild, and it doesn't taste like weird or artificial or fake to me. So let's froth it. So I'm not even going to measure. I'm just going to pour it in there, like I said, just to cover the little coil. So let me know, you guys, in the comments if you like the flavored creamers in your coffee. What are your favorites? There are so many. I've seen like cereal flavored ones. I've seen a lot of new ones coming out lately. So if you guys are interested, I will buy more creamers. I will do more reviews. I will do froth tests. Let me know what you guys want to see. And let me know if you have any favorite creamers that I need to try, because there's so many of them. And sometimes I just get overwhelmed and I'm like, I don't even know which ones to buy. So leave me a comment below. After you subscribe, make sure you subscribe. And let's see how this one froths. So I'm using a different cup just so I don't get confused. Ooh. Yeah, look at that. Are you guys ready for the froth test? Okay, there's some in there. I have my little scoopy thing here. Oh, I think this one's a little thicker because it's actual cream, not yum. This was really good. I think from the two, this was my favorite. So look at that. This is the Coffeemate, and this is the FairLife. Froth's pretty good, actually. So there it is, my froth test. They're both pretty good frothers. I'm impressed. So yeah, let me know if you have tasted any of these creamers. What's your favorite creamer? Is there one you recommend that I need to try? They froth really, really good. Unlike the oat milk, I'm a little disappointed. But I do want to taste the oat milk creamer. So maybe next time, if you guys like this video, let me know. Let me know you like these videos by leaving a thumbs up, leaving me comments, sharing my videos, and also make sure you subscribe so you know when our videos are coming out. You guys, that's it. Creamers for your coffee. Let me know. I want to hear about it in the comments. Which ones are your favorite? Have you tried the Unlocked? Have you tried the FairLife? Do you like them? Do you not like them? Which ones are your favorite? I need to hear everything about coffee and creamers from you guys. So that's it. I'm off to make some coffee because we cannot waste this creamer. I'm going to go make some coffee for Mr. Cafecito and maybe for myself. That's it. We'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like our videos. Give them a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time for more Cafecito.